If you're seeing this before August 8th, you are just in time to do some Lionsgate EFT tapping with me. But before we do that, I just want to talk about how perfect this Lionsgate portal is with all of the content I've been creating around authority. So Saturn, which is the planet that runs authority and structures and consequences, went into retrograde in Aries, which means all of the questions actually turn inwards. From a nervous system perspective, what Saturn in retrograde is asking you is, who have you been handing your permission and your authority to? Then we had the full moon in Aquarius, and Aquarius is all about finding our own way. And the Lionsgate portal actually stays open until the 12th of August, which is when there is a solar eclipse in Leo. This portal is all about reclaiming your authority and being seen. So let's talk about why that is important at the end of this, but for now, let's do some EFT tapping. Just tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I keep waiting for somebody to tell me whether I'm ready or not, I am choosing to make that decision for myself. Even though I've been calling in all that I desire, I know that there was a decision that needed to be made. And that decision was choosing myself. Even though my body learned that authority was corrupt, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I am ready to change this story. Let's go to the top of the head. This Lionsgate portal is changing me. I give full permission for this portal to open me up to my highest visibility. Because my quantum self is trying to come through. My quantum authority is trying to be heard. But the human condition has been squashing it. So I'm no longer staying where other people think I should stay. Because maybe there is no need to be understood. By people who are not my tribe. Perhaps it is safe to have my authority. And it is safe to become my true highest self. It is safe for all of my internal work. To now meet the frequency of my highest timeline. I release the need for approval. And it is safe to take up space. It is safe to inherit what is rightfully mine. Which is my platform of authority. I now sit on the throne of my divine authority. And I reclaim, I recode, and I rise. The number 8 is very significant to me. And it is safe for me to see confirmation of this. It is safe for me to see 8s everywhere. because I am infinite intelligence in a divine human body. And so it is. Take a deep breath in and out. Make sure you comment Lionsgate to claim this powerful energy. So because this Lionsgate portal is so powerful in the concept of authority, I actually recommend matching your numbers for how many times you use it each day. So if it's the 2nd of August, use it twice today. The 3rd of August, you'll use it 3 times. The 4th of August, you'll use it 4 times. All the way up until the 8th of August, where you should do this small sequence 8 times in that day. And you can continue doing it until the 12th, until the solar flare. You can do it 9 times, 10 times on the 10th, etc. But there is something really significant about this particular year. And repetition in that frequency is just going to create so much more alignment. And if you've been trying to work on confidence, fear of being seen, visibility, power, empowerment, monetization, being paid to exist, then you need to sign up to my authority waitlist, because I'm creating something for the people who keep hiding what they do, what they want, and what they are capable of, and how to finally get out of that loop.